Welcome back to session 23 of GED Advanced Graphs and Functions. Today is all about test day strategy. We will build a calm, repeatable process for graph questions, use the calculator wisely, and learn to spot the answer choices that are designed to trick you. Let's get you test ready step by step. Strong graph performance is a process, not a guess. First, read what the question actually asks. Second, label what x and y mean. Third, estimate the answer from the graph before you compute. Fourth, calculate with a clean setup. Fifth, check that your answer is reasonable. The same 5 steps work on every graph question. Estimation is your secret weapon. Before calculating exactly, glance at the graph and get a rough answer. If the point is a little above 3, then answers like 10 or -2 are impossible. Cross them out. Estimating first narrows 4 choices down to 1 or 2, and it catches big mistakes instantly. The number 1 graph trap is the scale. Grid squares might count by 2, 5, or 10, not 1. So always read the axis numbers before counting squares. If each square is worth 2 and a point is 3 squares up, the value is 3 times 2, which is 6, not 3. Read the scale, then count. Let's work one. A graph scale counts by 2, and a point sits 3 grid squares above 0. What is its y value? Step 1. Read the scale. 1 square equals 2 units. Step 2. Count the squares. 3 squares. Step 3. Multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. So the y value is 6, not 3, which is the trap. The on-screen calculator is powerful, but it only echoes what you type. It cannot catch a wrong setup. So plan the calculation on paper first, then type carefully and glance at whether the result makes sense. A calculator confirms good thinking. It never replaces it. Set up first, then calculate. The GED plants tempting wrong answers. The most common is the reversed coordinate, y, x instead of x, y. Another comes from misreading the scale, like answering 3 instead of 6. A third mixes up slope and intercept. Knowing these traps in advance makes them easy to avoid. 3 habits to protect your score. First, never assume every grid counts by 1. Check the scale. Second, do not pick a reversed coordinate answer. Keep x first. Third, do not trust a calculator result that came from a shaky setup. Slow, deliberate reading beats fast guessing every time. Let's lock it in. Use the same calm process every time. Read, label, estimate, calculate, check. Estimating eliminates impossible choices. Always read the scale before counting squares. Plan before you use the calculator. And watch for reversed coordinates. That is test day mastery. Wonderful work today. You now have a calm, reliable strategy for GED graph questions. Your mastery check is the 10 practice questions for this session. For each one, run the 5-step process and watch for the traps. To read the full lesson notes and practice more GED graphs and functions questions, visit the course page at www.bridgetoexam.com. I will see you in session 24, our final review and error analysis. Keep going. You are doing great.